A new concept or a new name that is being used right now is the word REMADE. And it's a fairly hip name, but really what REMADE means and what it stands for is being able to have a sustainable economy. Green is very fashionable these days. We want to make sure that when we are manufacturing an asset, that we have cradle-to-grave responsibility. So how do we do that? How do we take cradle-to-grave responsibility for the assets that we manufacture so that it doesn't get mothballed or it doesn't end up in a scrap heap? So what we are doing is to continue to make sure that there is sustainability in the process, whether it is the materials that we are using or making sure that parts and components are available for the life of the asset. And oh, by the way, during the midterm or the midlife of that particular asset, we can actually come up with solutions to be able to extend the life of that asset by coming up with even better ways of being able to do that. So how do we do that? We sometimes put together modernization packages for our customers so that those customers can actually modernize the piece of equipment either at their locations organically, or we can act as the depot and be able to do that work ourselves. And so this is the way that we are continuing to support remanufacturing, continue to support the whole idea of REMADE, or continue to support the idea of sustainability in our Department of Defense. And actually, this is a global initiative, and we are doing our part to make sure that we are supporting it.